Good morning everyone. I am Swetha Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Pharmacy, BBD University, Lucknow. Today I am going to give a presentation on the topic pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics. What is pharmacodynamics? Pharmacodynamics is the study of mechanism of action of drug and explain what drug does to the body and how do they do it. Study of action of drug on body, that is what effect a drug has on the patients, including mechanism of action, beneficial and adverse effect of drugs, and the drug's clinical application. In other words, pharmacodynamic is what does the drug to the body. It tries to explain the action-effect relation as well as dose relation effect. It involves the drug-receptor interaction to elicit the action of drug in the body. In other words, pharmacodynamics is what does the drug to the body and is the study of biochemical and physiological effect of drugs in their mechanism of action. Modification of the effects of one drug by another drug and by other factor is also a part of pharmacodynamics. It provides basis for rational use of drugs and design of better and effective drugs. Ligand plus receptors is equal to ligand receptors complex. Why do we use drugs? Drugs do not start new functions in the body or any system. They only change the speed of the ongoing activity by stimulation, depression, irritation, replacement and cytotoxic action. Means in principle of drug action, stimulation, depression, irritation, replacement and cytotoxic action. In depression, it is selective inhibition of the action of specialized cell. For example, barbiturates depresses CNS, quinidine depresses heart, omeprazole depresses gastric acid secretions. Irritation, it is non-selective and noxious effect to the less specialized cells. Irritation may result in inflammation, corrosion or necrosis to cell. In stimulation, it is the selective enhancement of the action of specialized cell. For example, adrenaline stimulates heart, pilocarpine stimulates salivary gland, and epinephrine stimulates heart, and excessive stimulation is followed by depression of that function. Replacement. This refers to the use of natural metabolites, hormone in deficiency states or their congener in deficiency states. For example, levodopa in Parkinsonism and insulin in diabetes mellitus. Cytotoxic action. It is the selective action on parasites or cancer cells without affecting other cells of the body, and selective cytotoxic action for invading parasites or cancer cells, for example penicillin, chloroquine, mebendazole. Now, mechanism of drug action. Mechanism of drug action through physical, chemical, through enzymes and through receptors. In physical mechanism of action, a physical property of drug is responsible for its drug action. For example, physical property and their action, mass of drug and their action, bulk laxative, example senna. Second action, protective, example sucralfate. Adsorptive physical property, action, charcoal, xylem, kaolin. Physical property, osmotic activity, action by mannitol. Physical property, radioactivity and action by radioactive iodine. Chemical action. Drug reacts extracellularly and without binding to receptors. There is a simple chemical reactions. For example, antacids. Sodium bicarbonate react with hydrochloric acid in the stomach to form sodium chloride and H2CO3. Oxidizing agents. KMNO4 are germicidals and chelating agents are EDTA. Why do the drugs act on enzymes, ion channels, receptors, transporters and may act chemically? Through the enzymes, although all biological reactions are carried out under catalytic influence of enzymes, so enzymes are very important target of drug action. Enzymes are protein molecules that accelerate the chemical reactions. Most of the biological reactions are catalyzed by enzymes. Drug molecule may act as enzyme inhibitors. Sometimes it stimulates to elicit a response. For example, captopril inhibits ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme, and aspirin inhibits COX, cyclooxygenase. Inhibition, specific inhibition and non-specific inhibition. In non-specific inhibition, drug alter the tertiary structure of enzyme when they come in contact, thus inhibit it, not desirable. In specific inhibition, many drugs inhibit a particular enzyme without affecting others. For example, statins, HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors. In competitive inhibition, physostigmine and neostigmine compete with acetylcholine for cholinesterase, whereas sulfonamides competes with PABA for bacterial folate synthase. In non-competitive inhibition, acetazolamide, carbonic anhydrase, aspirin, cyclooxygenase, digoxin, sodium potassium ATPase, and theophylline phosphodiesterase. Factors modifying the drug action. Numbers of factors which modifying the drug actions or influence the drug response. Quantitative variation in drug response, but rarely so qualitative variations. For example, drug factors are route of administration, presence of other drugs, accumulation. Patient's factors, age, body weight, sex, diet, environment. Genetic factor, psychological factors, pathological state, and tolerism. Drug factors, route of administration. Drug is administered by different routes. It commonly exhibits quantitative variation, but sometimes qualitative variation in response, quantitative variations and qualitative variations. Intravenous dose is less than oral dose, and subcutaneous and intramuscular doses are also smaller than oral dose but larger than intravenous dose. Presence of other drugs means addition, potentiation, synergism, and antagonism. Accumulation, if the elimination of drug is slow, then repeated administration of drug will result in its accumulation of the body. Patient's factors, age. In neonate, metabolizing function of the liver and excretory function of the kidney is not fully developed. Children require a smaller dose of drug than adults. Weight, greater body weight, the bigger the dose required. Body surface area, greater body surface area, larger the dose required. Sex, female usually required a smaller dose than males. Diet and environmental factors, genetical factors, genetically variation in drug response, psychological factors, personality of doctor as well as patient can affect response to a drug. Placebo effect, dummy medicine having no pharmacological activity, the effect produced by placebo effect. Pathological states, example, drug metabolized in liver or not destroyed during the liver disease. Patient's factors, tolerance, natural tolerance and acquired tolerance. In tolerance, need for larger doses of drug to produce a given response. Natural tolerance, genetically determined reduced lack of response to a drug, and acquired tolerance, it develops on repeated exposure to a drug. Drug interaction. When two or more drugs are given simultaneously, the effect of one drug may be altered by another drug. Drug interaction can be occur in vitro or in vivo, results in either beneficial or harmful effects. Drug interaction can be defined as the modification of the effect of one drug prior to or concomitant administration of another drug. It may enhance or diminish the effect of one or both drug. It may modify preventive, diagnostic or therapeutic activity of either drug. Causes of drug interaction, drug explosion, administration of two or more drugs, patient refers to many doctors, irrational polypharmacy, concurrent use of prescribed and non-prescribed drugs, patient non-compliance and do not follow the instruction. Drug interactions may be pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. These occurs when one drug alters the absorption, distribution, metabolism or excretion of other drugs. In pharmacokinetic interactions, multiple drug use may cause alteration of GI pH, complexation, alteration of mucosa, alteration of GI contents which may affect absorption. Drug interaction may cause decrease in distribution and displaces protein binding due to the competitive binding. It may lead to decrease in effect and induce toxicity. Pharmacodynamic interaction. Multiple drug use may cause drug interaction may affect drug receptors binding, modify physiological action and efficacy of drug. It may cause synergistic or antagonistic effect on the body. Thank you.